Taking it?
I don't really know. I'll do my hands.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, all right.
Go on then.
Alright everyone, this is just a quick video to let you know that we are going to drop some content on our YouTube, and it's going to be on a 2-year restoration on a Series 1 E-Type. So some of the early filming is terrible and some of the later filming is also terrible. But bear with it and watch it all the way through, and you'll see us take a completely rusted out car, do all the metal work, all the paint work to a finished shell. So I look forward to your comments, and make sure you like and subscribe. Cheers then.